Me personally, post baby body, I don't know if I'm bikini ready yet.
We're a collective of 5 artists from across the media landscape united on a mission of body acceptance. Each episode, we'll invite a special guest to be our honorary 6th member and step out of our comfort zones to create missions that champion self-love in all shapes and sizes.
Okay, guys, there's a pool party coming up at the rooftop of the Radisson Hotel.
I love
It's happening. Fat Babe Takeover. Here's the thing. Who's the ethereal they that we always talk about? But they seem to tell us that we shouldn't wear bathing suits or skimpy clothing or color or bikinis.
So, is it a requirement to wear a two-piece?
Well, no. I mean, I want us to all feel great in whatever we're wearing.
Are you nervous about this one?
Not entirely nervous, but I will say it does make me a little bit uncomfortable being in a two-piece. Me personally, post baby body, I don't know if I'm bikini ready yet.
I completely understand. Listen, like there was a huge movement with the two-piece a couple years ago, the fat kini movement. Everybody was hashtagging the fat kini.
Yeah.
It was a thing, and it was basically because like the bikini was something that was coveted only by smaller frame bodies. They wouldn't even make it in our sizes. Yeah. So there's a silent rebellion in just showing the belly. So if you got one and you feel good in it, put it on.
Yeah, and I like to say like this is your bikini body, and I love your face right now because I know your head's spinning, and that means that we got to do this for you. There's so many of us who haven't been to the pool in years or haven't been to the beach in years because we're terrified of what people are going to say or think.
People look at me and they're like, you're a mom and like you have yourself on Instagram or on social media, but I want my daughter to see me strong, bold.
Yeah.
I wish I had role models like that.
Yeah. I remember wearing like a one-piece, athletic swimsuit and just being so conscious that I'd wear my towel to the edge of the pool, slide in, and then pull it off to the side. So, I mean, now going forward as an adult and going through that, I feel like there's always these transition periods where you have your awkward stage, and now I'm an adult and I have that awkward stage in a two-piece.
Big, small, short, tall, everybody has their insecurities. And I find that obviously you put on a swimsuit, or the idea of putting on a swimsuit is where it all comes out. So it's time we go and tackle this.
It's true.
I feel like the hardest decision on this challenge is what swimsuit to wear.
True. And who to bring.
I think I got the perfect girl. Okay, so for those of you guys, I'm in the blogger world, and this girl has blown up. She's only been on the scene for about 2 years now. Her name is Lisa. Her blog is called MUSTANG.
I know her.
Okay.
She's blown up. Like she's almost 80,000 deep on Instagram right now. She really advocates for extended sizes with brands, really showing women, especially the plus size market, what your options are style-wise. This is who we need to bring.
Into it.
How about I reach out to Lisa, see if she can meet us somewhere we can all get together. Let's get ready for this thing.
Bathing suit fashion show?
Yes, girl.
Yes. I love it.
We're about to go to this pool party and F stuff up. Yes.
All right, guys, we're going to look at the swimsuits. We've got fruit. This one's really cute.
I think I'm a little apprehensive because I've never been comfortable in a bathing suit. I'm like, okay, is everyone staring at my thighs? Does everyone have the same feeling? Or is it just me? Just a little scared because I don't know how I'm going to deal with this, minus not having the child with me. Because he's almost like a security blanket. I can use him to justify my mom bod.
I know some of the girls are nervous, and I get it, you know what I mean? But at the same time, it's like, this is so necessary. I find that a lot of plus size women are just so gun shy to just live. And like, we let what we don't look like stop us from just living. So I'm super excited.
And here's the backyard, guys.
Gosh, this place is gorgeous.
Look at this place.
My name is Lisa. I am a fashion blogger, influencer, brand consultant, and sometimes model. I love the girls. They're doing such great things, and I'm just so happy to support them.
Okay, so I know we all brought a bunch of outfits,
But the best way to choose an outfit is to have a model off. Oh my so let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, here she goes.
I love it.
But girl, like we're going to a pool party.
Yeah, do you have something that's like, ow?
Yeah.
I'll go get it. Yes!
Yes.
There it is. That's it. Nah, okay, all right.
That's so cute.
Maybe it's a little too adorable. Come on.
So you want something hotter?
We need some hot. Yeah, we need hotter. Yeah, we're going fierce.
I will bring you the hot.
Okay.
You.
Ow! Bam! One more time, hit it. Ow! Okay.
Ooh. You're like sunshine girl. That's lovely.
Ooh la la.
Hey. That's the one.
Yes.
Very classy.
I do love the one piece. I think you look fantastic, but we're supposed to be in the one piece. It's empowering to put on that two piece.
All right. I just knew they were gonna freaking make me do that. I just knew.
Okay, so what are you afraid of? You look amazing.
Yeah, you look cover ready.
Give me a pose, come on. Yeah.
Bam.
That fits you like a glove.
Too good. Okay, girls, I think we're ready.
Yes.
Let the takeover begin.
Hey.
They are gonna see us coming.
I know Rachel's feeling anxious about the pool party. Beauty is a state of mind. We need to not be afraid to bear all, because at the end of this, I think that it's really going to inspire others.
I know I've personally had like a drastic change in body type, and it's hard to sometimes recognize yourself and feel comfortable in your own skin in that aspect. So trying to embrace who I've become.
So I think we all have something to prove today, whether it's to ourselves or sort of to the world at large, that we can take up space here too.
I'm slightly overwhelmed. I've got that nervous, knotty feeling in my stomach, you know.
Oh, so much better.
Great.
Yes.
Such a big.
Yes, Rach, take it off.
Come on, girl, you got it.
Who is getting in the water?
I'm gonna look for mimosas. Okay, let's go. You had to just take it off and go for it. And once you cross that threshold, all of a sudden a lot of your fears are sort of squashed because you realize that they were unfounded.
This was amazing. It was great to just be free, let go. I think the main thing is like once you accept it, everybody else has to.
It's no big deal. You know, swimming is an activity. It should be fun. And the more that we get out there and have fun, the more it'll become accepted and the norm.
The idea is to just love the skin that you're in, and life is a lot easier that way.
I think we were kind of exotic today. Like, I think we were sort of the commodity and people wanted to be with us.
I look and I realize that what has been oppressed upon me for so long is someone else's warp-minded idea of beauty and not necessarily mine.
Ready, girls?
Work it.
Yeah. Selfie. Work and work.
I'm glad I came to the pool. Honestly, in order to be happy, you need to embrace your curves at any given moment and just say fuck it and throw caution to the wind.
Natural idiots, bestie.
Now I'm not even in it.
Girl, you gotta like, you know.
That is a cute
Yeah.
picture.
Can we switch positions? Because that light over there is lit. I can't.
Yeah, fight me for it.
I can't, right? Okay.
Beautiful, wonderful cut. All right.
Okay.
Done.